Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 3, OV 122. ओरडू थांबे तेची संधी, शिरू पाहे रांड दुर्बुद्धी, तो ओरडता ती पळे त्रिशुद्धी, सुख समृद्धी मजतेणे. As soon as he stops shouting, the wicked woman seizes the opportunity to enter. When he shouts, she flees, leaving him pure of speech, body, and mind. That gives me profound happiness. जावे न कोणी त्याच्या वाटे, ओरडू द्या मुक्त कंठे, तया वीण मज रात्र न कंठे, सौख्य मोठे त्याचेनी. No one should oppose him. Let him shout to his heart's content. I cannot pass the night without him. I have great pleasure because of him. याची ही ओरड येणे परी, आहे मज बहु हितकारी, ऐसा हा रोहिला परोपकारी, बहु सुखकारी मज लागी. Shouts of this type are greatly to my advantage. In this way, the Rohila is benevolent and makes me extremely happy. ओरडू द्या त्यासी यथेष्ट, त्यातची आहे माझे इष्ट, ना तरी ती रोहिली दुष्ट, देईल कष्ट मज लागी. Let him shout as he pleases. In that itself is my well-being. Otherwise, that wicked wife will trouble me. स्वयंची मग जै थकेल, आपोआप स्वस्थ राहील, कार्यभाग तुमचा साधेल, मजहीन बाजेल ते रांड. When he himself gets tired, he will keep quiet automatically. Your purpose will be served, and that wicked woman will not trouble me. ऐसे म्हणता महाराज, खुंटला मग तेथे इलाज, बाबांच्या मनी नाही गजबज, काय मग काज आम्हा ते. When Maharaj said so, any further effort was futile. If Baba's mind is not disturbed, then why should we be concerned? आधीची रोहिल्यासी उल्हास, वरी हा आला फाल्गुन मास, कलमे पडता कंठशोष, असमसाहस मांडिला. As it is, the Rohila was very enthusiastic. Moreover, he was now licensed by Baba, so he started to recite the Quranic verses very loudly and created chaos. जन समस्थ आश्चर्यापन्न, केवढे बाबा क्षमा संपन्न, जेणे भावे मस्तक भिन्न, तेणेची तल्लीन ते होती. The people were amazed at Baba's forbearance. Instead of the splitting headache, the shouting sent him into rapture. काय भयंकर ती ओरड, घशासी कैसी नभे कोरड, बाबांची परी एकची होरड, नका दरडावू तयाला. How horrible were the shouts! It was a wonder that they did not parch his throat, but Baba still persisted in telling all, "Do not admonish him." दिसाया रोहिला वेडा पीर, परी बाबांवरी अत्यंत आदर, कलमे निज धर्मानुसार, हर्ष निर्भर पढे तो. Outwardly, the Rohila appeared to be a mad Muslim saint, but he respected Baba greatly. Happily, according to the tenets of his religion, he would recite the verses of the Quran. वाणी हळुवार किंवा मोठी, कोणास याचा विचार पोटी, स्वर्णासवे उठा उठी, गरजत उठी हरिनाम. He did not care whether his own voice was soft or shrill. No sooner was he inspired that he would start shouting the name of God.